Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you guys how to do this faux calligraphy. It is really easy. All you have to know how to do is handwrite, and then you'll be able to do this. We're gonna use, you can literally do faux calligraphy with anything, but today we're going to be using colored pencils. So I just have a bunch of colored pencils here that I'm going to use, and you want to find some colors that are relatively similar to blend the colors together. I'm going to use like a magenta and a pink. So all you have to do is handwrite any word. So I guess I'll do happy. Okay, so I hand wrote happy, and then you're gonna for the downstrokes, you want to do thicker lines. So I'm just gonna go on here and thicken up some of these lines. And I know that you probably can't really see what I'm doing at the moment, but once I start coloring it in, you'll kind of see where you want to thicken some of the lines. And yeah, so just all the downstrokes you kind of want to draw some thicker lines, and then it will look kind of like faux calligraphy. Okay, so I have the happy written, and I have done all of the downstrokes, so you can see for the after the P you'd go up for the handwriting, and then you'd go down, so I have thickened that line up, and then when you go around and then you go down again, I have thickened. So all the ones that would go down, I have thickened those lines. And if you wanted to do the inside of the P's a little bit, I guess you could do that as well. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my two colored pencils, and I'm just going to color in the lines that have been thickened, and then you can darken the other parts of the word once you have finished coloring. So what I'm doing is just coloring, and then I'll take the other color and then just kind of blend those two colors together. And the reason you want similar in colors is because they blend nicer than if you were to use like maybe green and yellow or orange and purple, you know, that sort of thing. So you can do faux calligraphy with literally anything. You can use brush pens, you can use markers. If you guys want another video on more faux calligraphy, just let me know, because this is really fun to do. So yeah, I'm just darkening the lines. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, I can't zoom in anymore, I guess. But yeah, I'm just darkening the lines. Coloring in the lines, so yeah, and then it will start looking like faux calligraphy once you finish coloring in all the lines. And then once you're done that, you can just darken the rest of the word, or you can do that before you do the rest. I would use probably the lighter color to darken the rest of it. And these would work, these would be nice for like, if you guys have seen my sticker video, you could make stickers out of these, you could you could do this right in your planner and then have like a nice word for the month. You could write the month in your planner like this and have like really pretty colored kind of words for each month. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just gonna finish coloring this in and then I will show you guys the result. They always turn out super pretty. Like, I really like them. And if you guys don't know how to handwrite yet and you're still like learning, or you just want to brush up kind of on handwriting skills, like my S is kind of not the exact S you would see on handwriting, so it's good to, you can look it up, kind of some faux calligraphy or just calligraphy. I was using a copper plate kind of handwriting, so if you want some of the more fancy letters for the start of your words, you can just look up copper plate, and that's kind of what I did. And yeah, so this isn't really a dollar store DIY because we're using colored pencils that aren't from the dollar store, but it is a pretty affordable DIY because I'm literally just using what I have, which is mostly Crayola. I have some other brands of colored pencils, but nothing like super expensive, so you can use what you have. I really like Crayola because of how pigmented the color is. So I'm going to go over these lines now, just darken them up a little bit so you can kind of see what the word is. And yeah, I really do like how these always turn out. They always turn out super pretty once you finish the lettering. And yeah. So that is it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And as always, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and also share it with your friends if they want to learn how to do some faux calligraphy. And I will be bringing you guys more affordable DIYs soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.